Dyslexic Genius here. We're back on the Cornish machine. They're out of New Jersey. First thing I did was I took the speed control out, which is just this screw, and then all you do is just unscrew and then just pop the spring off. The other thing I did was on the speed control underneath were two screws. You can see this is loose, and this is held in with a nut back in here in a screw. So you take this nut off, like that. That pops up. This nut falls down. There's a hole under here to tighten this up and adjust it. Then you just swing the speed control arm up like that, and this all comes out in one piece. So we have the two grold screws and this, and the speed control. Now to get the governor apart, we're going to undo back off this set screw.
Move your hand, darling. Okay, got it.
And you see these are set screws and not a regular screw with a head on it. This is very unique. I've let the motor totally run down. This is something I'd do if I was building a motor. Everything would be in set screws because it looks much cleaner. Now what we'll do is has eccentric bearings in it. We'll just grab this one. It should pull out. There we go. And you can see that the bearing is eccentric. The hole's offset are right there.
Okay.
And now the governor pops out. You get the governor out. The other governor bearing too is eccentric.
What's special about an eccentric bearing?
You can literally dial this worm gear into how that touches. You can fine tune this in, and it's wonderful on machines. Not like Edison's and Victor's, it kind of pops together like a Model A. Now what you do, pop the motor around like that, wound down just a little bit. And you undo this screw, which is loose. And since the motor is resting on the cabinet, voila, now we have the motor. Well, the spacers came out for the felt washers. I gotta remember that. We'll put in new rubber felts. Should have one more felt around here. No? Okay. There's the other felt. My angel found the other felt. So we're going to take the set screw out of here,
1918.
right?
Okay.
And we should. Now you pull the shaft out.
Wow.
And this is when you first start looking at the motor. That was machined in, but this shaft looks really good. Not too much wear. And then you just pull the spring barrel out. Pull this screw out. That's the bearing to the end of the shaft. So this goes in to the secondary shaft. That's a special screw. We don't want to lose that special screw. There should be one more at this end. Like that. This gear comes out. This pinion floats in there. So now there's an adjustment when you reassemble for this. And that's my tip for the day.